Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the MG ZS EV, a compact all-electric SUV that's quickly becoming a favorite among urban drivers and eco-conscious families. With its practical design, modern features, and competitive pricing, the MG ZS EV stands out as one of the most accessible electric vehicles on the market today. On the outside, the MG ZS EV has a sleek, contemporary design that gives it a premium feel without the premium price tag. The front grille is closed off, typical of EVs, with a subtle charging port hidden behind the MG badge. LED daytime running lights and projector headlamps add a sharp, aggressive look, while the clean lines along the sides lead to stylish 17-inch alloy wheels. The rear of the vehicle is compact and sporty, with a roof spoiler and LED taillights that give it a confident stance. The ZS EV is available in vibrant color options like Dover White, Currant Red, and Ferris Silver, adding even more personality to its appearance. Inside, the cabin of the ZS EV is simple yet functional. It features a 10.1-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and soft touch materials on the dash. The seating is comfortable for both front and rear passengers, with enough space to comfortably fit 5 adults. The boot space is generous for a car in this class, making it ideal for daily errands or weekend trips. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is a 51.1 kWh battery that powers the electric motor, producing around 174 horsepower. This gives the MG ZS EV a smooth and quiet driving experience, with instant torque that makes city driving fun and responsive. It can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 8.5 seconds, and the estimated range is around 320 to 400 km, depending on driving conditions and model variant. The regenerative braking system helps improve range and adds to the overall efficiency. It supports both AC and DC fast charging, allowing you to charge from 0 to 80% in just about 40 minutes with a fast charger. When it comes to safety, the MG ZS EV is well equipped. It includes features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and a 360-degree camera. One of its biggest strengths is the inclusion of MG's Advanced Driver Assistance System (ADAS), which provides adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. The ZS EV has also received strong safety ratings in various global markets. What really sets the MG ZS EV apart is its value. It offers a well-rounded EV experience at a price point that makes electric mobility more accessible. Its low running costs, 0 emissions, and 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating make it an excellent choice for families and daily commuters alike. The touchscreen interface, smart connectivity, and app-based remote functions add a layer of convenience that's usually found in more expensive EVs. As for the price, the MG ZS EV is competitively positioned. In most markets, it starts at around $30,000 to $35,000, depending on the trim level and local incentives. This makes it one of the most affordable EVs in the SUV segment, especially when you factor in tax credits, lower maintenance, and fuel savings. In conclusion, the MG ZS EV is a smart and practical choice for anyone looking to switch to electric without breaking the bank. It combines stylish looks, decent performance, useful technology, and strong safety features in a well-priced package. Whether you're new to EVs or looking to upgrade from an older model, the ZS EV deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews just like this one.